RFID, radio frequency identification, is used to track objects and living creatures, especially pets. But how do they work, and are there any issues with them? An RFID system has two physical parts to it, a scanner and a tag. The scanner is used to read the information on the tag. Most objects and animals, of course, you could put a normal physical tag or a label around them. There's a limit to the amount of space on a label. The label might fall off, the information might need updating, or it might be difficult to read or find the information. So instead, an RFID tag is sometimes used. The tags come in two broad types, those with a battery and those without. Those tags without a battery can be far smaller, so they don't require their own power source with them, but they're generally restricted in their usefulness and flexibility. The RFID scanners work, not surprisingly, by using a radio frequency. The tag is battery operated and broadcasting all the time. All the scanner has to do is listen out for the radio signal being broadcast by the tag. Depending upon the strength of the signal coming from the tag, any interference in the area can be 100 meters or more between the scanner and the tag. Alternatively, if the tag is battery operated but not constantly broadcasting, the scanner sends a signal to the tag to switch on and then waits for the radio signal to return. Finally, if there's no battery in the tag, the scanner needs to send quite a powerful radio signal to the tag. The tag then uses the energy from that radio signal to provide the power to respond to the scanner. It generally means that there's a short distance between the scanner and the tag for enough power to reach the tag. The information stored on the tag might just be a fixed code or a number, which can then be looked up on a database to find out what the information that number applies to. If information needs to be updated, all it needs is for someone to update the database. The tag remains unchanged. However, it means if the database is hacked or becomes corrupted, you could lose all of the data. Alternatively, detailed information could be on the tag itself. It can be updated as the information changes. So this means that unless the ID chip is security protected in some way, anyone with the right scanner can then read all the information on the tag and may be able to rewrite the information. It does mean that there is an issue with sensitive information being stored in RFID systems. RFID tags are now commonly used in shipping and transport, identifying where something is, what it is, and where it has to go. It can then be anything from a small parcel to a huge shipping container. RFID tags are also used to identify pets and who their owners are. By placing a tiny tag under the skin of the animal, you also know who owns the pet, so long as the owner updates their information if they move or they get a new telephone number. Other uses for RFID are in biometric passports, toll passes, healthcare, and libraries. However, they now also frequently be used in sporting events, such as tracking when you cross the line in a marathon. The use of RFID is likely to become more and more widespread. However, regulation and security need to be improved at the same time to prevent abuses of the information these systems contain.